Okay, just sit straight. Sit in any comfortable pose you prefer for yourself. Make Gyan or Chin Mudra or any mudra you prefer for yourself. Take a deep breath in and deep breath out. Prepare yourself for today's class. Bring awareness to your body, to your mind, and to your breath. Now we will chant 3 times Om all together. Take a deep breath in. Tat Pranabhav Just feel the vibration of the mantras. Now join your both palms together in front of your heart. Rub your both palms. Apply on your face. Apply on your eyes. Apply on your whole body. And slowly bow down your head towards God and ask God to give us strength for today's class. Now, while blinking, gently open your eyes. Namaste. So today we are going to do Veerbhadrasana, Warrior A and Warrior B. Today we will learn about the Warrior A, how to go into the position of Warrior A and how to do Warrior B. Okay guys, so how many of you have done before Warrior A and B properly? And you know everything about the adjustment and alignment of it. How many of you have done? Okay, you have done. Okay. So I'll show you that how you have to go. Stand up everybody on a mat. So we will do sun salutation for a quick warm up. 1 or 2 sets only. 2 sets maybe. Okay, take 1 feet distance from your mat. Come in front of a mat. Ekam inhale, raise your both arms up over your head for Urdhva. 2 exhale, go fully forward down, Uttanasana. Don't make a hump on your spine. Just bend your knees slightly if you are making hump. 3D inhale, look front, lengthen your spine. Chatwari exhale, jump back, Chaturanga. Pancha inhale, Urdhmukha. Sat exhale, Adhomukha. Hold there for 5 counts. Look at your navel point. 1. Roll your shoulders out. Try to just push your tailbone high up in the air. 3, 4, and 5. Now bend your both knees. Jump front between your both palms in Ardha Uttanasana. Look front everybody. Lengthen your spine. Exhale. Go fully forward down. Uttanasana. Nava. Inhale. All the way come up for Urdhva Vrikshasana. Exhale, Samasthiti. Sun salutation B we will do. Ekam inhale, bend your both knees, touch your fingertips on the floor, raise your both arms up, come for the Utkatasana chair pose. 2 exhale. 3 inhale, look front, Ardha Uttanasana. 4 exhale, jump back into Chaturanga Dandasana. Pancha inhale, Urdhmukha. Sat exhale, Adhomukha, downward facing dog. Now bring your right leg front between your both palms for Warrior A. So now just one person come back, stand in Samasthiti. So this is how we comes in Warrior A position in Ashtanga. Okay. So one person, anybody wants to come here, just come. Make Warrior A. Look here everybody. Place your right palm. No. Just place your right palm front. and left leg back. So in warrior A, we should keep in mind that our right feet or right leg, right feet will be facing towards the right side, okay, front, and your knee will not go much back or lean front, okay. If you will lean your right knee like this, you will feel hurt on your knee and you will hurt your knee. Just press your hips slightly little bit. Your knee and your heel should be in one line, okay. You cannot just put your knee back and your heel front, or your knee front and heel back. Your knee and heel should be in proper one line. Another thing you have to keep in mind that your feet will not lift, your feet will not lift like this. Your heel will be on the mat and the facing of your feet should be front and little bit 5 degrees in. You have to keep your left feet 5 degrees in. And one more thing, you have to rotate your thighs inward. When you are going into the posture, you have to rotate your thighs inward as much as you can rotate. One more thing you have to keep in mind that your hips should be square. You have to pull your hips, rotate your hips front side, okay, square your hips, and now bend your knee as much as you can. You have to make this angle 90-degree angle from your right leg. Inhale, raise your both arms up and stay in the position. So now what he's doing now, he's pushing so much deep, trying to go more further, but it's now getting it wrong. So slightly come up and hold it there for 5 seconds, okay. Now exhale, jump back Chaturanga Dandasana, go back into Chaturanga. Inhale, Urdhva Mukha, exhale, Adho Mukha, downward facing dog. Now lift your left leg up high in the air and bring your left leg front between your both palms. Inhale, raise over. Now we will talk about what if someone cannot bend its knee up to 90 degree. It's okay, they can keep this angle like this also, but this angle should be making 90 degree, okay. अगर आपका ऊपर वाला पैर नहीं आ रहा है 90 डिग्री पे, it's okay, but the floor and your heel and knee should be are making 90 degree. So for opening of our like groins muscles and our calf muscles and hamstring, we will do some exercises. Okay, relax, come back. So first we will try, keep your leg front, come for the upper lunge, okay, high lunges. Tuck your left toe and you can just keep your both arms behind your back. Now you can just push your hips up and down as much as you can. 2, push, 3, 4, but try to keep your knees straight. Don't bend your knees, try to keep your knees straight and then push. 5, this will help you in stretching your quadriceps muscle of your front thighs. 6, and this will increase the strength in your legs. 7, 8, hold there, keep your legs straight and just hold there for 5 counts. 5, keep pressing. 4, 3, very nice. 2 and 1. Slowly come up and change your leg. Now bring your left leg front and right leg back. Again behind your head, your finger, interlace your finger behind your head and again push. 1, inhale and exhale. 2, 3, 4, 5, keep pushing, keep your knees straight. 6, 7, 8, now go deep into the posture and just hold. 5, 4, 3, 2 and 1. Now slowly come back. So we have like stretch our front thigh, but we need to stretch our groins muscles also. So groins muscles are here. Like in this part we have a groins muscles, we have to stretch them all. So you have to do frog pose. So come in the position of the frog pose. ये frog pose की position में है. Open your knees. First come for the tabletop position. ऐसा look here, look there. Come into the tabletop position. Now open your knees, right side and left side. Okay. Keep your heel flat. Another heel also. Open your knees more. Increase the space. So your knee and your heel should be in one line. And see, now he is going front. He started paining, so he is going front. So slightly he will come back. Knee, hip, and another knee should be in one line. Now just stretch your legs. Keep your both. This should make 90-degree angle. Okay, keep your both legs in 90-degree, and you have to just keep pressing, keep putting pressure on your hips. Just try to touch this frontal part of your body, of groins muscle, onto the mat. Now slowly come back. You can also help your partner by pressing slightly back. You don't have to push like this front. You have to press it slightly back and down, back and down. Okay, use this. Push their hips back and down. They will start feeling little bit pain. Then just hold air, and then after a few seconds come back. Okay, do with each other. Make two partners of yours. Come back. तो के पार्टनर बन जाइए. Become partners of 2-2. Just try to help each other in frog pose. हाथ ऐसे भी रख, आप elbow से, you can use the support of your elbow, or you can just straight your arms front if you can. No, don't shake. हाँ, but your hips not slide forward. Okay, आपके hips slide नहीं होने चाहिए. You can put your chest down. Do not put much pressure. It's okay. They can use the support of your elbows and just self press your hips down. आप पोजीशन में आइए. ओपन करिए लेग्स को. ओपन योर लेग्स. हेल्प हर. हेल्प. ऐसे करिए. After that, change your partner. Yeah, now you have to just open her legs and just keep the slightly pressure on the hips. Yeah, ask her that how much she's feeling pain. If she's feeling pain more, just stop there and hold her there for a few counts. See, no, it's wrong. You have to just, if your knee is hurting, just do in this way on the mat. Okay, if your knee is hurting, but do not let her hips go front. Just keep in one line. Knee, hips, and another knee should be in one line. Okay, now grab her hips slightly back. Yeah, now push it down slightly, slowly. Do not press like this. Just press one constant pressure. Yeah, one constant pressure you have to put. See, now he is going front. Just stop there because he's feeling pain right now. So just stop there. Breathe. And one more thing, you have to just breathe. Do not close your legs. Just relax here into the position and breathe as much as you can. Now afterwards, change your partner and do with them. One more time. Okay. Open your knees. Just hold, breathe, inhale, deep breathing you have to do. Inhale and exhale. Do not hold your breath. If you will hold your breath, you may get injured. So just continuous breathing whenever someone is pressing. You have to just breathe more. Yeah. Okay. Just hold there. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Slowly come back. Everybody come back. Now do. Okay, they are doing right now. Okay, now do counter pose for this. Just close your knees inside. Okay, close your knees inside. Try to touch your knees. If your knees are easily touching, you have to open your legs more. It should be not easy to touch your knees together. Just touch your knees. Change. Yeah. you should feel hard while touching your knees together. Okay, now slowly shake your legs. And now we will do warrior P. Again come. Okay, again come for the downward facing dog. So from downward facing dog, we will lift our right leg up high in the air and then bring our right leg front between your both palms for warrior B. Just come, not like this. Go again and like this. When you come up, you will do like this. Okay. Again, bring your right leg front and then come for the warrior B. You have to look at your hands. Okay, Hastagri Drishti. Your Drishti should be on your hands. What in this warrior B, your hips will be not square. Your hips will stay back and your knees will same. You have to keep it at 90 degree. Back feet this time not 5 degrees in. You have to keep your left feet straight. Okay. In this also you have to rotate your left thigh inward when your right leg is front. Do not extend your left hip like this. Okay. You have to keep your leg and hip and your front feet in same line. Okay. You have to look straight. You have to not bend. Keep stretching your arms, right arm forward and left hand back. You have to not lean like this. Some people lean forward for like in warrior B. Some people lean. This is wrong. You have to again come back. You have to just sit down. Keep your pelvis down. Okay. Now one more thing. What if some person do not cannot do his knees straight front side? Some person knees is like this. Okay, they lean their knee towards left side. So what they can do, they can press your palm on your right knee or slightly back from your right knee. Just press your palms, open your knee towards the right side, and you can also stay like this. Okay, now we will do one more exercise for this. Just open your legs, right leg, right side, right toe, right side, goddess pose. Right toe, right side, left toe, left side. Okay, you have to press your knees from here. From here you have to press your knees. Now press your knees out and just keep pressing your hips down. Okay, so now you have to try this for opening your groins muscles again. Come back, choose your partners to help you with your balance and pressing your knees. Okay, like this. Your partner will press your knees back and give support on their back. Again, do this side. Come up. You'll do like this. Turn. Come for the goddess pose, but in this way. Okay, like this, like this, like this. Change your direction. In this side, yeah. Okay. So you have to keep your knees on their hips. Just try to press their knees back. And one more. After this, come on the wall. Wall par. Again, tell them to open their legs both 90. Keep thing in mind that you have to make 90 degrees from your leg, and then you can also press with your legs like this and open their legs. Breathe. And your spine should be touching on the wall. अपनी spine को wall पे touch करके रखना, and then keep pressing their legs. Now slowly, with balance, come back. Okay, now again become partners of 2-2 and help each other in this postures. Okay, goddess pose. This is known as goddess pose. Try goddess pose today. Help each other in this. Okay, like your new knees falling down. Okay, so you required help. Just press their knees back. Give them support. It's okay, but your knee should not lean front like this. Be strong. Keep pressing your knees out. Keep your knees out. Yeah. Now don't push. आप ज़्यादा पुश करोगे उनका बैलेंस बिगड़ रहा है, ठीक है. डोंट पुश मच, लिटिल बिट. नीज उनकी अभी भी आगे आ रही है. प्रेस स्लाइटली, लुक. और पीछे स्लाइटली बैक, आप पीछे ही और आप नीचे बैठिए. स्लाइटली डाउन, मेंटेन योर बैलेंस. योर नीज आर गोइंग बिकॉज यू डोंट हैव दैट स्ट्रेंथ. Look, your knees are going like this due to lack of the strength. So you can just try on the wall. You will get the support of the wall, and then you can do it. Now you will feel comfortable.
You need not extend that
Slightly much. Close your leg.
According to your height.
This much is enough. Slightly less, more, less. But both toes outside. Okay. Now sit down. Touch your. Now you sit and press her knee. Don't press on her knees. Just press on her thighs. Okay. Now just sit down. Take support, very good. Done. Keep doing. And please. Press. You can take support of your hands or you can just sit like this. Put your back on the wall. Wall पे लगाइए. Breathe. Don't hold your breath. Take a deep breath in and deep breath out. Hold on. No. Slightly close your leg. No, wrong. It's wrong. Close your leg slightly. Open your both right feet right side, left feet left side. Now just try to sit down. Slow. Touch yourself on the wall from back. Press yourself more. See, now her knees are coming front. So you should keep pressure here. Okay? No, not on the knees. Slightly up from the knees. Okay. Yeah. Now bring your front, leg front, move front. Sit down, more front, leg more front. Okay. This is the correct position for you. Okay. Now just keep sitting down, and you should just keep the pressure on the legs.
स्टूडेंट का हल्ला हो रहा है.
हाँ.
स्टूडेंट का आप हल्ला हो रहा है.
Okay, don't talk much, just focus on your asanas. No, don't laugh. Just focus on yourself. Don't laugh. Focus. Don't laugh, okay? Okay, don't talk. Do asanas. Completed, you both have completed. Okay. Then just relax.